We may all be different, but there is one thing that unites us all.
It's a lovely environment, the Whakatane area. It's so easy to get to the manu. It's all around us. We've got a diversity of wildlife in this forest around here. We've got whitehead, we've got the kiruru. Every bird imaginable is around here, so we're very, very lucky. We've got a lovely environment. It's a beautiful place to live.
It's obviously a beautiful place. It's got everything for visitors and the locals. You've got loads of beautiful walks, you've got the ocean. It's just an easy, relaxed lifestyle here.
From the Whakatane River in the west to the Ohiwa Harbour in the east, from Te Moananui-a-Kiwa to the southern Kawinata, the Korehāhā Whakahau project area is firmly grounded in the Ngāti Awa rohe. We are growing a skilled biodiversity workforce from within Ngāti Awa so that we can be kaitiaki and work to enhance the mauri of our whenua as we move towards our goal of being predator-free by 2050. Korehāhā Whakahau is the first iwi-led large-scale eradication project. Within the 5-year period, our project aims to eradicate possums from 4,700 hectares within our rohe without using toxins. But we cannot do this on our own.
Technology for eradicating possums is finally at a stage where we can achieve eradication without the use of poisons, and this possibility is building upon the legacy of conservation from Whakatane locals. The numbers are low enough and we can achieve this together. As the first iwi-led predator-free 2050 project, we're incorporating our local Ngāti Awa mātauranga and how we go about eradicating possums from our area. By doing this work, we are reminding ourselves of our inherent responsibility to be kaitiaki of our area. The local knowledge here from our people expands generations. We are incorporating our knowledge, we're incorporating our history and our connection to this place with the opportunities of technology. And these opportunities combine, and this partnership combines to achieve long-lasting results for our whenua.
We have the technology, we have the manpower, and we are building the systems to help move us towards complete eradication of possums. From there, our opportunities are endless. But we need you to come with us. We need your support. We need access to your whenua, and we need to be all in this together. Tēnā ko tēnei. What is good for Ngāti Awa is good for our entire community.